Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see what is central force. So central force is a type of force which is pointing towards a particular fixed point or away from it. First let's consider this is a force field. This is a force field with origin O and there are some air molecules present in it. If a force acting on this particle is towards this particular fixed point or away from it, then this force is called as a central force, and this force should be always along a line. So if we consider for this particle, the force should be always along this line. It can be towards, it can be in this direction or this direction. So for this particle the force should be along this line. For this particle the force acting should be along this line. So we can define central force as a force which is pointing towards or away from a fixed point and magnitude of which is a function of the distance from that fixed point. Means we have seen central force is acting along a line towards or away from a fixed point. Now the second condition is the magnitude of which is a function of distance from that fixed point. Means the force acting on this particular particle should be a function of this distance between this particular fixed point and this point mass. So we have two conditions for central force. First one is the force should be always along a line and the magnitude of force should be a function of distance between a fixed point and that particular point mass. Now we will see some of the properties of central force. So first property is central force field is a conservative force field. So in conservative force field energy remains constant. And second property is if only central force is acting on a particular particle and no other force is acting on it, then the angular momentum is conserved. Means angular momentum of that particle will be constant. So this is a angular momentum vector. This is a vector, means it will have magnitude and direction. So therefore its magnitude and direction both are remains constant in the central force field. And third property is motion is planar. So now we will see some of the examples of central force. So first example is gravitational force. So we can take example of force acting between sun and the earth. So let's consider this is the sun and this is the earth, and the force acting between these two is always along a line, and if the earth is at this point the force will be along this line. If the earth is along this point then the force will be along this line. So we can say that gravitational force is a central force. So the second example is electrostatic force. So force acting on electrons and protons is a central force field and this force is always along a line. So electrostatic force is a central force. Now the second example is spring force. So spring force is also a central force. So up to now we have seen definition of central force. The central force is always acting along a line towards a particular fixed point or away from it, and we also seen some properties of central force. The first property is central force field is a conservative force field, and second property is angular momentum is conserved, and third one is motion is planar. We also have seen examples of central force. First example is gravitational force, second is electrostatic force, and third one is spring force. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.